The trunk floor in Volvo XC40 can fold up. You have to pull this handle up. And right here, guys, on the sides you will see openings, one on the right and one on the left. And you can insert the floor panel right here. And now first of all, it will give you more room underneath the floor. And besides that, it splits our trunk into two sections, which will help you to organize your luggage better. Besides that, we have 3 hooks for grocery bags, for example, and you will see a small drawing on each of the hooks. You can put your grocery bags on these hooks, and again, this is how it works. Also, guys, on the sides of the vehicle you will see 2 more hooks, which again can be used for your grocery bags. They work the same way. One goes right here, the other one goes on this side. And again, this will make sure that all your groceries stay inside the bags when you transport them. Also inside the trunk you will see 4 brackets. There is one right here, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. These can be used to secure your luggage even better. You can use the straps or you can use the net. If you transport large items, it will help you to secure them properly.